Hello and welcome to another how to draw video. Today we're going to draw my favorite drink, chocolate milk. We'll start with an oval on the top. Then we're going to do some straight lines along the sides that are slightly diagonal. And then to connect it, we'll put another curved line between them. Then we'll do the inside of the milk, which is a curved line on the top pointing down, and then we're going to do the inside, the diagonal straight line curved on the bottom, and then another diagonal line on the other side again. Next we'll do some bubbles, do some circles, big one, and then some smaller ones. Overlapping is okay. These bubbles are transparent. Then we'll do some tiny bubbles inside the milk, and we'll start doing the next leg. So we'll do a straight line going across with the foot on the end. On the other side we'll do the exact same thing, two straight lines with a round kind of bread loaf shape. Next we'll do the arm. We'll make the arm behind his back leg there so you don't see the hand, and then the other hand we'll make him waving on this side with some sausages for the fingers. And then we'll do the eyes. We'll start with some circles in the middle, and then some bigger circles around them. And then we'll fill in black parts. And if you like, you can leave a little spot open for a reflection, or you can just color them both in. Then we'll do the mouth. Curved line across with little tick. And then we'll do another curved line down to make his mouth open. Curved line for the tongue. And a slight little tick for the mouth. So we'll do some eyebrows. And we'll thicken those eyebrows. Now we'll do the shoelaces, a little circle with some oval shapes, and the same on the other side. And then we'll do a few little bubbles. And then we'll color them. Some brown, red for the shoes, and red for the mouth. There we are, we're done. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like.